where to find Circle to Search and how to turn it on and how it works. This is for Samsung phones with Android 15 One UI 7.0. On your Samsung phone, use the quick access like this here. Tap on the settings toggle right there, this one here, and use the search option here. Type in the words Circle to Search. It is a guaranteed way of finding this feature. Once you see the suggestion, go into it, and it'll show you where it is to turn it on. So this is part of the navigation system, and whether you have the navigation buttons here or the swipe gestures, it is a function that works with the touch and hold of the home button feature, right? So let's just say, for example, you have the buttons area, right? And then you hold this down, you're gonna get this here, this little searching thing, and it's gonna tell you circle or tap anywhere to search something. And maybe if I just do something like this here, it is going to basically highlight it and detect what it is, and it tells you what it is with a quick search using Google, and that's pretty cool if you ask me. Like and sub.